Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a schedule on Philips 4000i air purifier. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner, then click on scheduler. Now you can create a schedule and you can select the days of the week. So for example, the schedule will work from Monday to Wednesday and also on Fridays. You can select the start time, for example 10 a.m. then power on or off, and mode. You can select the mode here, so I'm gonna select the auto mode, apply, just like that, and click on done. Now you can add another schedule which will turn off the device. So let's click on plus, then select which days to do it on. So I'm gonna do it on Wednesdays, no, on Thursdays and on Saturdays, on 18, which will be 6 p.m. Power off, apply, done. And now you can see that the device will automatically turn on these certain days and turn off on these days. You can also delete the events by clicking on them and clicking on remove schedule, yes. You can also see the calendar and it will show you everything on calendar. So that's how you do the schedule, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.